Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account is active on the Chromebook. This is the Identity Photos uses. Once signed in, open the Photos app or go to Photos. Google. So the interface loads. Next, make sure you enable backup and sync in settings. This uploads images to your Google account and prevents data loss. You do this now because cloud backup is the backbone of using Google Photos. It keeps everything available across devices and makes later steps, like searching and sharing, instant. Once backup is enabled, add any local photos you want in the cloud by dragging files into the Photos window or using Upload Computer. If you have an SD card or USB drive, import files from the Files app first, then upload. This keeps originals organized. After images appear, select several with Shift or Control to create an album or delete duplicates. Albums make sharing and offline access simpler. Also, use the built-in search, face place, and object detection to quickly group similar photos for faster management. To finish, confirm that Photos shows backup status as complete so everything is safely stored in the cloud. Once done, use Free Up device storage to remove local copies and reclaim space. This relies on successful backup, so make sure status is final. If something goes wrong, check your Wi-Fi and Google account storage quota, then restart the Photos app or sign out and back in. Clearing the app cache often fixes stalled uploads. This troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.